Alrighty, boys. On today's episode of What Happened Today, we got, I don't know if you guys can see that, lots and lots of oil dripping onto the floor. From what? I don't know. I think this feed. I mean, I see some oil there. I want to see if that's loose. It's fucking pissing oil. Yeah, that thing's tight. The dash 4, where are we at? The dash 4 line's leaking on this side. I'm guessing underneath here. It's leaking right there. I don't see it rubbing on anything. You guys? I can't tell. I don't think anything's rubbing. Yeah, nothing's rubbing. It's not hitting anything, but I don't know. It's been about a year, I guess. Almost a year, I guess. I guess it's like a really gnarly bend, maybe. But the line's leaking, dripping out of the fire sleeve right there. So we gotta replace that line. Maybe it's just, I don't know. I thought it was a good spot, but it's leaking right there. We're gonna have to replace it. Hopefully, I don't know, but yeah, fuck. That's gonna be a pain in the ass to replace in the car, but we'll try. We'll see you guys. Look, it's pissing. So we'll see you guys. Does not look like this AN line liked being that close to the manifold. Ordered a one of those small braided ones up. Hopefully that'll do a lot better. But this one did not like it. Alrighty guys, looks like we're all good. As you see, no leak there. No leak there. Thanks Amazon. Coming in clutch. Weird, I'm not used to shitty parts that much, so 9/16, not a 14. But JZX is back on the road. Thank God, because this thing was pissing oil. As you can see. Lots of oil. And we'll take out the sheets that we got underneath. It was pissing instant. This is all fresh cardboard. So I'm gonna flip it over, see if we got any more leaks. Should be good, but I'd rather be safe. Ooh, fuck, fiberglass got me. Alrighty guys, a little Jeff Bezos saves the day. Got this 4AN on. Little weird, little curly Q, but get it straight in. Let's cross our fingers and hope it doesn't leak. It's been about, I'll say, a week or two. I'll just say 2 weeks. 2 weeks since you guys saw that last clip. And no leaks, so super hype on that. We got no leaks. It's nice and clean. I mean, it's not clean, but no, like, clean oil leak wise. So we got no oil leaks now. It's nice and dry. Amazon saved the day. Literally, like, everything I wanted to do to it is done. So I just don't really know what else to do. If you guys want to drop in the comments what you guys want to see next. We got the Blitz wheels on. Thinking about putting the DRs. So we're thinking about putting the DRs for like a WAFFLE giveaway type thing. It'll be the first one. It will be like 25 bucks a spot. Free shipping included to anywhere in like the lower 48 in the USA. Sorry, out as country guys, but it'll just be so expensive to ship those wheels out. Thinking about like 100 spots. Just drop down on my Instagram, DM me on Instagram to get entered if you guys are interested. It'll support the channel and you can win a cool set of wheels. So that'll be awesome, guys. If you guys are interested, like I said, DM me on Instagram and I'll be hosting like a live stream of you guys just picking the winner, and then winner sends me the shipping address and they get shipped out. Like I said, it'll help the channel out and it'll just be cool. So also drop down, what do you guys think we should be doing to the car? Because I got no idea. The engine's been great so far, guys. Like I said, no issues so far. It just works. Blitz wheels still look great. Car looks sick. Maybe body work next, or maybe get the Minervas done. Maybe after that DR WAFFLE goes well, maybe we'll give away these guys too to one of the subscribers. I think that'd be sick if one of you guys were able to win these wheels, because super sick wheel. But drop down in the comments what you guys think we should do next. Super dirty right now, but these are the DRs that we're talking about in the giveaway. I can't ship the tires with them, so it will be just the wheels, but super cool. We got the nice red logo with the center cap. It's 18 by 9.5 plus 12 all around. I'll post the specs up, but yeah, these would be the wheels. They're white, look great, white with the red. I mean, it looks good on a lot of cars. 18 by 9.5 plus 12. So yeah, these are the wheels that would be in the giveaway. Like I said, drop a comment if you guys think that's worth doing or not. If I don't get enough interest, I'll just get rid of them on Facebook Marketplace or something. But drop down in the comments if you guys would be interested in the wheel giveaway. And that's it for today's video, guys. Peace out.